Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video is mag-replace tayo ng cabin filter. So it's been a while, or first time talaga hindi na-replace yung cabin filter ng Toyota Yaris Cross. So this cabin filter is purchased at Shopee, so 300 plus yung isa. So yung binili ko is dalawa para sulit yung shipping, and based sa manual dapat 3 to 4 months yung replacement kasi it would damage your aircon system. So how to remove? So ito located siya sa front passenger side. So dito yung glove box. So ito yung glove box. So you just need to pull the glove box. In each side meron siyang parang naka-hook sa left and right. Ito. So ito yung kadugtong niya, yung merong butas dito, and then this is dito. So then sa glove box itself meron din siyang hook para once you open it mag-hook siya dito. So I just removed it earlier, and then ito yung back part ng glove box. So dito yung cabin filter located. Ito yung parang housing niya. So ito yung indicator na ito yung up. So dapat ito yung position once you place it back. So just pull this lever here, pull it, parang i-pull mo lang siya. Ito, pull mo lang pala to. Ito, pull mo lang. Then dito sa kabilang side, you just pull it right. Yan, huwag mo siyang i-pull kasi baka maputol. Meron kasi siyang parang intact. So just pull it and then pull it right. So once you pull it right, then yeah. So makikita mo yung stop. Ito yung stop niya, no? So naka-indicate din yung upwards position. Ito yung stop. So let's see how dirty or how clean. So compared to the brand new, so you could see it's very dirty na, no? Dirty yung cabin filters na. So yun, dito wala siyang indicator, however the same position as the indicator itself. So dapat yung arrow niya is down. So ito, tama siya. And then yung nakasulat din is dapat ma-read mo, hindi siya upside down. So once nalagay mo na siya, you're gonna put the cover again. So paglagay ng cover is the same as mentioned kanina. Push it back to the left, and then ito just push it para ma-lock. So lock na siya, no? Yan, lock na siya. So dapat naka-up siya. So sa paglagay ng glove box is quite hard, especially kung isang kamay lang. So yung una is yung meron siyang clip dito each side. So dapat naka-hook siya dito. Then dapat naka-clip siya. So it's quite hard. So yan, naka-clip, dapat naka-clip siya, no? So dapat marinig mo yung clip, marinig mo siya. And the other side, you need to hear the clip. If na-hear mo na yung clip, ito dapat isagad mo lang siya dito, and then dito. So once okay, there. So how to check it's okay? There. So okay na siya. So ganun ka dumi yung stock na cabin filter ko. So advisable 3 to 4 months need mo na i-replace yung cabin filter. Don't wait for any damage sa aircon system mo. Thank you.